Hi, Pat. Hope you're doing well so far here in quarantine. So I was trying to think of a way to get you involved in what I'm doing, even though we're not doing any learning with the kids throughout the day. So we don't have any Zoom sessions set up for the kids to come in. It's supposed to be all there so they can access it throughout the day for whatever works for them. So I'm going to share my screen here and kind of show you our page for our individual fitness class. So in this page, I have up here my office hours in the corner for the kids. So during these hours, I'm always available for them. And then if we just look, I'll just show you the materials here. So we just have it listed out week 1. I have the date for each day here. So I've started planning ahead, as you can see a little bit. But this is going to be next Monday's workout. So each folder looks like this. They open it and all the content is right here for them. So super easy to find. I try to add a cute little something funny there for them to look forward to when they click onto the page. And then as we go down, leave them a little note right here. And then this is where we get into our objectives in today's tasks. So task 1 is almost always for them to watch me. And I put a video right here explaining this page, kind of the same thing I'm doing for you right now. And then today for their task 2, they're going to review what the zones stand for, which we kind of talked about last week, and then what it means to be in the green zone. So this class is normally based around heart rate monitors. So we're trying to teach them ways they can be in the zones without actually using a heart rate monitor. And then task 3, they're going to do their workout and focus on feeling green. And then they'll do their exit ticket, which is our way to assess them today and give them the points. So I'm going to send you this link as well for the video so you can see what I'm giving them. And then task 2, here we go. We have the zones here. So it kind of tells them, I wish there was a way to make it bigger on here, but there is not. But just a way to tell them it feels comfortable, easy breathing, light sweating, a few ways for them to be able to kind of self-assess, I guess, how it's going for them with the colors. And again, we talked about this last week. So just another reminder to review what it means. And then today we're going to focus on feeling green, which is the moderate sweating and the light muscular strain. So to do that, they've been given the 16-minute cardio workout. There's 8 exercises for the 8 rounds. The gist of it is they're going to do 10 push-ups, and then for the remainder of 2 minutes, they're going to do jumping jacks. And then they're going to go straight into 10 body weight squats. And then for the remainder of those 2 minutes, they're going to do butt kickers. So it's kind of a cardio workout, but they can do it at their own pace. So they can do, if it takes them longer to do 10 push-ups, then they don't have as long for the jumping jacks. If they want to do the body weight squats in 10 seconds, then they'll have more to do for the cardio. So the idea is to make it easy enough so that they can do 10 reps in 2 minutes pretty easily, and then go on over to this cardio before going down to the next round. So I also made these GIFs of myself with all the exercises here so that if they don't know what they are, they can just take a look at it and super quickly I do each of them. So hopefully something that they can just have up on the computer as they're working out. And then for task 4 here, answer the discussion post for today's workout, and that's their exit ticket. And then they're due every night at midnight. So if we click on these questions here, it takes to a discussion post. We just ask for 1 to 2 sentences because obviously working out is probably a majority of their time. We don't want them to spend a lot of time answering these. But still, since it's early in the quarter, we're just trying to get to know them a little bit. And question 1, do you consider yourself as someone who enjoys the strength training or more of a cardio-based workout? Today was like one of their first cardio workouts. Number 2, do you think you can tell when you're in the green zone, since that was our objective today, and how do they do that? So hopefully they refer back to the light sweating and how hard they're breathing. And then what was the least favorite exercise from the workout? So if there's a lot of kids that say squats are my least favorite or whatever it is, I'll try to phase those out of the workouts as we move forward. So that's just kind of the way that we hear feedback from them. And then it's kind of tough to answer some of the questions if they're not doing the workout, so a way to keep them accountable as well. So hopefully this works as you looking at one of the lesson plans. Let me know.